he's always painting.
Now everyone together,
Cause here comes Boblins. Boblins, Boblins. Boblins, Boblins. Boblins, Boblins. Boblins.
It's finished. It's finally finished. Everyone, it's finished.
Brilliant.
Clever boy.
Oh, well done, Ty.
Thank you. Thank you very much. A lot of hard work, but it's worth it.
What's finished?
Oh, my invention.
Oh, of course. Your invention.
Yes, that's right.
What invention?
You know, the one I've been working on for ages and ages.
Oh, yes, of course. The invention that you've been working on for ages and ages. No, sorry, still no idea what you're talking about.
Oh, maybe I forgot to mention it. Not to worry. Everybody, I have invented the Rainbows End Remote. Yes.
Ooh, what's that then?
I'm not going to tell you.
Oh.
I'm going to show you.
All right.
Come on, everyone. Follow me. There's not a second to lose. I might just take a muffin for the journey, if that's okay.
This
It's got lots of buttons.
My friends, I give you the Rainbows End Remote. Ta-da!
What does it do, Pie?
Simple, my dear Penny. It does everything.
Everything?
Yes, everything. This remote can control anything in Rainbow's End with a touch of a button.
A button, you say?
Yes, a button.
Brilliant.
Just by pressing these clever buttons, I can do anything.
Clever buttons.
I could take a bite from Ruddle's muffin. Yes. Very good.
Hey. Clever buttons.
And I could even pause Yam Yam.
Oh, I do like that.
Oh, you're very clever.
Hi, let me down.
So, you see, you can do anything with this remote control, just as long as you know which buttons to press.
Buttons. Oh, lovely buttons.
Ollie, you could use the Rainbow's End remote to pick up hot pans from the oven.
Oh, yes.
Ruddle, you could use it to build your next shed.
Oh, good idea.
And Gully, you could use it to mow the grass.
Oh, yeah.
You see, the Rainbow's End remote is wonderful because it means we don't have to do anything ever again.
But Pie, we like doing things. It keeps us fit, healthy, and in shape.
Exactly, Bodkin. That's why the Rainbow's End remote should only be used every now and again, and very carefully by someone who knows what they're doing. No, Yam Yam! Don't press the buttons! Button. Oh, yes, that could be better. Watch out!
Oh, no. Look out. Oh, not the chipper. Oh, no, the Lord.
Oh, careful. Buttons.
Yes, Yam Yam, buttons.
Sorry, Pie. Did I get a bit carried away there?
It's just a bit. Don't worry, no harm done. Oh, bother.
Oh, I'm sorry, Pie, but it was an honest mistake. I don't think I've ever had any problems with pressing buttons before. Well, hang on. Wait a minute, Yam Yam. What about that time when Pie invented a painting robot? I seem to remember you pushing a button that got us into trouble that day.
Oh, button. No, must not press
the button. Press the button. Oh, yes. Press it. Press it.
It's alive! Alive, I say!
Yes, and a grand job you've made, too.
But no, it's not finished.
Woohoo! I press the button.
Oh, yeah, that probably was my fault. But it was just a one-off.
A one-off? What about the time you took us for a trip in a hot air balloon?
Oh, I can't remember that.
Well, let me remind you, Yam Yam. Ruddle and I were hanging on underneath the basket when you somersaulted in.
What happened then? Where am I?
Oh, well,
Buttons. Loads and loads of buttons. And no one around. What should I press first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
ah, yes, this is much better, Ruddle. We seem to be going to land now.
Yes, right on the chicken shed.
All right. I seem to vaguely remember that. But nothing like it's ever happened again.
Oh, really? What about the time you duplicated poor Pie?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
As I remember it, Pie needed to fix his new invention, but that was the least of his
Excuse me.
worries.
Just a moment. Very simple, really.
Oh, wow. Look at all those buttons. I wonder what this one does.
Oh, Yam Yam, no! Don't push that! Oh, Yam Yam!
Okay. I admit it. I love pressing buttons. I'd like to be able to stop, but I just don't know how.
Worry not, Yam Yam. I have an idea for an invention that could help you.
Will it have a button on it, Pie?
Well, we'll see. Yam Yam, especially for you, I present the machine that can teach you not to press buttons all the time machine.
Wow, catchy title.
Yes, it needs work. But the machine doesn't, Yam Yam. It's designed to teach you to think before you push.
Wow! How does it work?
Well, there's a nice big red button there, Yam Yam. Press it and see what happens.
Really? I can press the button.
Absolutely!
Oh, thanks, Pie. Buttons. Oh, that tickles.
Yes, Yam Yam. This machine is designed to tickle whoever presses the button, and therefore teaches them a valuable lesson that when you press a button that you shouldn't do, expect the unexpected. There. What have you learnt, Yam Yam?
That this invention is your best one ever!
Thank you.
Because I can press buttons and get tickled at the same time!
Oh, Yam Yam.
Again! Tickle Pie machine, button, tickle, tickle, tickle!